Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Trader Joe's imported from Italy. Thank God it's not Trader Joe's because I thought it would be. Kind of random, you know? Like you never know when it will be Trader Joe's or Trader Ming's or Trader Joe's. Oven baked cheese bites with tomato and chili, gluten-free. So some people say it's kind of bland, but who knows? I might like it because, like there's different heights of people, there's different tastes of what people like. Nutrition facts is a bit wide. Ingredients contains milk because, well, it's cheese, obviously. The price is $2.69 for a small package about roughly the size of two of my 9-year-old hands, small, about an 8-year-old hand. It's $2.69. It's a bit expensive. Let's open it up. There's a notch. It did not open. Easy peasy. The only way to open it is the other way around. Daddy, can you open it, please? Well, I have the napkin ready, at least. That was easy for my father's. Ta-da! It looks like this. I get why it's kind of red. It says tomato and chili. Alright, let's try it. Daddy, you're eating this, right? My father's curious as much as I am. Kind of sour. So, well, looks like I'm in those group of people who do not really like it. So you guys want a close-up, right? Probably you guys do. That. So there's no tomato flavor at all. So my father thinks, like the same as me, the cheese flavor is in. Like 1 second, the tomato comes in, chats with me for 1 second and leaves, and then the chili comes in in 10 seconds flat. So, well, I hope my mother likes it. I know she would not. I'll bring it to her and say, oh, it's very delicious, mommy, try it. And she would try to just go crazy. I used to do that a lot with the chips. I did not enjoy, like the mochi thing, which is reviewed, linked above. There are 2 mochis, check them both out. The spicy one is hilarious. You guys will absolutely love it. The video, not the taste. That's a hint for you guys. So, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on the round table. And and meet me again in other videos as well. And remember, it is very delicious. Just kidding. Bye for now.